Hello everyone, just delay. This is Wangmo. Welcome back to my channel. Guess where I am now? Yes, I am now at Gongga Airport in Tibet, preparing to go to my hometown. So I would like to take this opportunity to show you what Gongga Airport looks like and how convenient transportation is in Tibet today. Hello everyone, now I am on my way to the airport by a taxi. Of course, you can also buy the bus at the bus station. Cause I get car sick on a bus, so I took the taxi. So I'd like to show you the scenery on my way to the airport. Let's go! Now we are driving on the highway from Lhasa to Gongga Airport, the first highway in Tibet. On December 25, 1954, the Tibet Highway was opened in Tibet. 57 years later, Tibet's first expressway was opened to traffic, putting an end to Tibet's history of having no expressway. In fact, on the way to the airport, you can not only see the Lhasa River, but also the Yarlo River. If conditions permit, it's a great place to drive and see the sights and changes for yourself. I have arrived at the airport. Now follow me into the airport. Alright, I'm inside the airport. Just go ahead and get my ticket. I got my ticket and now I'm going to so let's go. Get in line first, then I can do it when it's my turn. I still have some time before my flight. I will show you around the airport and how does it look like now. Okay, I'm ready to head to the gate now. As we all know, there are all kinds of food and products sold in the airport. However, due to the COVID-19, the airport is just getting better recently. Many businesses have not opened yet. But there is a traditional Tibetan cultural and creative shop that is already open. Let's go and have a look inside. In this shop, there are a lot of Tibetan characteristics of jewelry, a variety of materials of necklaces and bracelets, as well as the Buddha statues and other artifacts. Of course, there are very rich national characteristics of scarves, which are suitable for souvenirs or gifts. This year is my year of fate, so I bought a vermilion hand string for myself. That's all I want to share with you today. Now, the transportation in Tibet is very convenient, and as I said, now that the COVID-19 is getting better, there are more and more round-trip flights in Tibet, and there are an increasing number of people at the airport. I think when you arrive at a new place, the first impression of this place is the airport, right? Okay, I'm going to start boarding. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, just delay.